How do successful businesses convert inquiries into orders effectively? A comprehensive and detailed framework is necessary to enhance SMEs' ability to convert inquiries into orders. This STAR framework provides in-depth strategies to tackle issues related to sales training, human resources, customer relationship management, and operational excellence, enabling you to boost your sales performance effectively. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.